You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, knowing.
What's going on? It's your girl Queen Balcony. Today I'm back with another video. As you saw in my last video, I was in Thanksgiving vlog, and I did that vlog. I'm gonna do another new vlog, and it's a makeup. Yes. Go check out Shani. They sound really good, and I use this stuff a lot. So go check them out. So for this, I'm going to be doing my makeup, and y'all gonna see what makeup I'm using. That actually looks good on me. Yeah. So these are the makeups. Like I showed y'all last time in my other video, these are all the makeup. Alright, so the first one that actually does look good on me is this green one that's right here. Wait, right here. I don't know. This one actually really does look on me. It's like, it might not look a good color, but it looks good on me. I don't know why, but it does. It looks silver, but it's not. It's this color. Right. Extra tutorial. I'm gonna do this. And don't get too offended because it's just for all fun and games. Don't get offended at all. Just fun and games, playing the makeup. And my phone is like literally on like 7 right now. So yeah. I'll keep looking at the camera to see how it looks. Also that pops. Tell me down below in the comment section if y'all know how to do makeup. Cause right now I'm not looking too good. Look, that shit. So let's do some gossip. So yeah, I wasn't really doing anything over the break. If y'all have your school break, tell me down below because I don't have my school break. Well, I do, but only to Monday.
I wanna be Winston. Oh, my little maker, I wanna be Winston.
I usually use a lot of this like this one color because it's not like, it's like glitterish type of makeup. So it's not that type of makeup where it's like basic. It's like glitter-ish. Yeah, I use this like light blue one too. Like it's like the color of my nails, you see. Cause first, I don't like to do this. I like to try it out on my skin and see how it looks. This is how it looks. And then this is a green one that's mixed with another one. Look, you see how the blue stands out? Alright, so this is the end of my tutorial. This is what my makeup looks like. Let me blend it and I'll be right back. Alright, so I had to blend it in a little so it could look more neater. I said I like the marks on me. But yeah, that's what it looks like. But I hope you enjoyed my makeup tutorial. Very short, very, very short. Comment down below which other content I should do more. Like, subscribe, and subscribe. Give this a big thumbs up. And yeah, hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.
No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be